What's up guys, Stromatic here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually use Buzz, okay? So you can use it with whatever LLM you'd like, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually use it within, like a free way. But also I will say, this is something I would gatekeep, I'm not going to lie, but because it's for my YouTube channel, I'll let you guys know, I'll show you guys what's up. So first you're going to start by downloading OpenCode, okay? You're going to have OpenCode, you're going to have your free models right here, okay? Then you're going to go into your settings on the actual Buzz app right here, go to settings, and then if you go right here to agents, and you can see we have all of these here. Make sure you link OpenCode, okay? So you can also like add runtimes, whatever, add OpenClaw, everything. You can see I have the ones installed right here. If you don't know how, you can also just kind of tell your codecs, if you have the codecs description, you can just say, hey, install OpenCode on my Buzz application, and it will do that for you. It'll do everything, most likely even put in the terminal. And if you need to download OpenCode, just go online, search up OpenCode, and there's either DMG or you can install it through the script. Yeah, I would most likely just install it through the scripts, the CLI like that, regardless. So the thing is, here's what you're going to do, okay? You're going to go to your channels, you're going to press plus up here, okay? So let's see, first down the app, you already just got OpenCode installed. You're just going to get a channel, and for this video, I'm just going to call it open, okay, just for the sake of the video. Open, and then here you put the name, description, you can put the description as whatever you'd like, ongoing or temporary, okay? So you can choose whether you want it to just be something that's temporary or not. You have templates, whatever. So what you're doing, private, and then create channel, okay? So you'll create this channel. The thing is, now when you're adding agents, don't go right here, okay? Don't click the add agents and then go in here. Rather, go up here in the top left where it says agents, and then you'll see them all here, okay? Because sometimes when you click agents on that part, then it doesn't really work as well, okay? And for the sake of the channel, I'll be doing test one, and you'll be able to see it says use harness here, or customize for this agent. You're gonna press customize for this agent, okay? Agent harness, go down to OpenCode, click on OpenCode, and then it's gonna say model right here, right? So you can see we have all these different models from OpenCode, but you have all of these right here as well, right? So the Mimo, High 3, Big Pickle, whatever. Thing is, these are free, right? A lot of these models are free, and if we go to OpenCode right here, you're able to see kind of like which ones are the main ones that are free. So we got Mimo, High 3, Muse, and Nemotron. So what I would like, here's what I would do personally. This is the best way to take advantage of this, because these are free models that are actually a lot better than any local model you'll get right now, and even some cloud models, right? So, and it's free, you can't beat that. So get to this point, and in this case we're going to be using Muse. So you're just going to press on the OpenCode free one that you want to choose, okay? You can go to advanced, change whatever you'd like there. Here I'll just do like the melting face, whatever. So test one, and I'll name it Muse, okay? So we have test one Muse right there. All right, and you would think this is it. No, we're going to go back in, okay? I'm going to name this one test two. Go to custom agent, okay? Go back here, go to OpenCode again, choose a model, and then choose another free model, okay? So I'm just gonna be doing, Nemotron 3, what do we have right here? 3.5 Lightning. So we'll probably just use 3.5 Lightning just because it's in here. Also, if you want to see all of the actual free ones that they have, if you open up your terminal, and this is once you install the OpenCode CLI, you can just do OpenCode and then do /model once you're in here, and you'll be able to see the free ones here. So you have Aux Alpha, which for some reason isn't on the actual application, but yeah, Aux Alpha right now, unlimited, so that's a big thing too. It's just I'm not sure why it's not in there, but Aux Alpha, Nemotron Lightning, Nemotron Ultra. Let's actually double check if we have Aux Lightning in here. X Preview, that might be what it is right there. I'm not sure, but regardless, X3 free, it doesn't even matter. And then we'll be using, let's just say High 3 free, okay? So we'll do High 3, test 2, High 3, okay? OpenCode, make sure it's that. I'm not gonna add a profile picture for that one, okay? Then we'll do test 3, okay? And then customize agent again, go to OpenCode, and then model, okay? And then we're gonna be doing, so we've done Nemotron, Muse, and then we can do Nemotron Lightning, add agent, and like you could do for this one like whatever. And then let's just do test 4, okay? That's the final one, customize agent, back to OpenCode, model, and then we're gonna choose, let's just do, I don't even know, Mimo 2.5 free, okay? So you got all of these, okay? And now they have all of these set up. Okay, we're going to go down to the very bottom, and you're going to see something right here called agent teams, okay? We're going to create agent team, create team, okay? And we're going to make this, like, call it just free squad, because this is just the free ones, okay? Team instructions, so you can say optional instructions apply to every deployed team member. So you can, this is kind of like your sole MD for the team instructions. I don't know if I really want that. I mean, I guess we could kind of just throw something in there, right? So like I said, I've shown you guys multiple times. I usually use Gemini to write this. So yeah, but here, let's just do write me team instructions for an AI team that is a team of professionals for YouTube channel research and insight. Okay, so write team instruction for an AI team. Okay, it's gonna write me one. You operate, boom, and you have the core roles, research, all this stuff, output, all this kind of stuff. Okay, so honestly, we'll just be yeah, we don't need to really go for all of it. We could just go like this. Okay, because this is just for this. You don't have to have the team role, because at the end of the day, like if you don't, it'll just be like a kind of like a generic AI. But yeah, so now you go down here to agents, okay, and then you remember the test ones that we put in. You're gonna get all of the test ones, or whichever are the free ones they have. Create a team, and now you have the created team. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to our channel, which I can't remember what we called it, but let's just go open, I believe, yeah. And then you're just gonna press add agents right here, which you can do, right? And you can just add you can add them one by one, but personally you can either add them here or you can just add them. So if you just do add free, you can see free squad. Okay, so let's just add free squad, and once I do this, it's gonna add them to the actual server itself. Okay, so add free squad, and I'm gonna say, hey, can you do some research on my YouTube channel and let me know what you think are the best videos and what I should make next. This just says like a test. Okay, boom, now you have free squad all added in, and then as you can see, all 4 saw them, all 4 will be replying, and now you have 4 cloud models, all free, that are actually pretty good, working for you at the exact same time. Okay, like that's honestly, to get something like that, it's, you know, especially all at the exact same time. And the thing is with Buzz, they're all going to talk with each other. So I could have said like, hey, you know, test 1 Muse, you're the orchestrator. Test 2, you do this, and test 1, like have a conversation with every single one of them and let me know like what they're outputting and what you think and blah 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 blah, right? So you can do any of that. But yeah, and you can see right here, so they're already replying, and you have the 2 eyes right here, so you have 2 of them agents already still looking at it, 2 replying still. You can go into the replies, and you can see here, recent Stromatic Labs YouTube channel. Wow, okay. I didn't even give them my YouTube channel, so I don't even know how they got that, either from a different chat or just my name. Yeah, monetization, cloud code, YouTube. Okay, so you can see all the stuff here. Yeah, focusing on AI, cloud code tutorials. Yeah, so, and then you can all kind of just chat through here, right? So you can, you know, go like test 1, test 1, and then what do you think of the channel at Stromatic Labs? Boom. And then I can have test 1 Muse running off that. And you can see here, you're able to see like which ones are still working or are going to be replying soon. So that's always a good thing. And you can see, you can also within this chat, you can chat with them. So you can see Muse 1 searching the YouTube channel, HTML, thanks for sharing Stromatic Labs. So you can kind of see like what they're texting, what they're searching up. And then boom, so we have high 3 already coming back and saying like, you know, which channel or which videos work the best, the signal, how to set up Hermes bot, extend the winner, don't re-explain it, stop repeating, right? So you have all these different, and you can even see full notes saved to research / and then Stromatic squad research.md, so you can have it write stuff like that. But trust me, this is way easier than going into OpenCode and being like, hey, look at, you know, Stromatic Labs, whatever. Okay, and then you go into a new chat, and then you got to go again and get a new one, and then say, hey, look at Stromatic Labs, and then, you know, try and have them like talk with each other. It's just like kind of confusing and just overdoing it. Whereas with this, you're able to have all of them talking with each other and like talk with each other to kind of, you know, work, I don't want to say against each other, but with each other. So yeah. But overall, I think this is one of the best methods to get the pure usage out of Buzz, but free AI models as well. Like I said, you guys might as well take advantage with this while they're out like this. I would, like I said, I would keep this, but because you guys are, you know, liking, subscribing on my YouTube channel, definitely check this out. And also, always keep up to date on X, if like, you know, whatever OpenCode posts on X, because, you know, Aux Alpha, if you looked on the regular page right here, like on the actual application, you wouldn't know that Aux Alpha is out right now, whereas they did release on their actual on on their actual X that it's out and it's gonna be out for a little bit, and they actually are motivating you to use it. So let me see, can I change the effort? No, not like that. Okay, and then see, can you research the channel at Stromatic Labs? Boom. And you can just do it through there. Yeah, okay, so I can't do at, boom. So Aux Alpha free unlimited, you can see, and I believe they have like 200 trillion tokens or something right now to be using. So yeah, use this to your advantage. And overall, like, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, and if you have any questions regarding the app Buzz. Like I said, you can do this through Bird, just not right now because sometimes like it's kind of glitching right now. It's still like in beta in a way, and it's not really like, I don't want to say user friendly, but in terms of setting it up, some of the applications don't work, so that's a shame. But as always, guys, it's been the one and only. I don't know what is happening. It's writing me a script right now in Python, so it's executing something. You can see here, holy moly. But yeah, as always, guys, it's been the one and only Stromatic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think and what you will be using this for in the comments below. As always, guys, Stromatic. Peace.